The global semiconductor market is expected to shrink 4% in 2023 to $557 billion for the first annual contraction since 2019. Now, according to the World Semiconductor Trade Statistics, the chip market, which makes up more than 1/5 of the total, is seen falling 17%. The forum says while chip makers have expanded output in response to a supply crunch, consumer demand for devices like smartphones and computers appears to be declining. Adding to the downward pressure, tech giants like Microsoft and Amazon.com are scaling back investment in data centers as their earnings show signs of faltering. A report says growth in global server shipments is expected to slow to 2.8% in 2023 from 5.1% this year, and servers being one of the biggest users for memory chips. Giving chip industry some relief, the demand for semiconductors in automotive and industrial sectors is expected to remain high. The wide range of applications for semiconductors makes the market a leading indicator for the economy as a whole. The World Semiconductor Trade Statistics says Japan, the US and Europe will see growth in 2023, but the rest of the Asia-Pacific region, including China, the world's largest semiconductor market and accounts for over 30% of the total, could see a decline of 7.5%. China's influence means the global semiconductor market could face an even steeper decline next year. The Chinese government's attempt to contain the coronavirus pandemic with tight restrictions has had an impact on factory output. Meanwhile, the US is pursuing tougher curbs on chip technology exports to China. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.